Next is question number 86, which says that mean and standard deviation of the first 10 natural numbers are respectively. We have the first 10 natural numbers as 1, 2, 3 up till 10. So firstly, let's find mean. Let us say that is x bar, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up till 10 upon total number of terms, that is 10. Now, summation of this series is well known to us, that is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So, this is equal to 11 upon 2. Now, secondly, we have to find the standard deviation. Let us say firstly find the variance, that is sigma square is equal to summation xi square upon n minus x bar square. So, this is equal to 1 square plus 2 square up till 10 square, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 into n, that is 10. These two will get cancelled, minus 11 by 2 whole square, that is 121 upon 4. So this is equal to, cancelling by 3, we will get 77 upon 2 minus 121 upon 4. So this is equal to, taking 4 as LCM, it will be equal to 154 minus 121, that is equal to 33 upon 4. So we can say that standard deviation, that is sigma, is equal to root 33 upon 2. So we can say that correct answer is option number 3. Next is question number 87, which says that a 6-phased die is so biased that it is twice likely to show an even number as an odd number when thrown. If the die is thrown twice, the probability that the sum of numbers is even is. Firstly, let us make the probability distribution. Now, let us say on the die I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the probability that is given is, now, it is twice likely to show an even number. So, let us say P is the probability of getting an odd number. So, the probability of getting an even number will be 2p. Now, we have to find the probability that sum of numbers is even. How can we obtain sum as even? Either we will get both numbers as odd, or we will get both numbers as even. Now, the probability of getting first odd number is p plus p plus p, that is 3p upon total probability, that is 9p. Similarly, again the dice is thrown and then again the probability of getting an odd number will be 3p upon 9p, plus probability of getting an even number will be 2p plus 2p plus 2p, that is 6p upon 9p whole square. So this is equal to 1 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 whole square, that is 4 upon 9. So this is equal to 5 upon 9. That is the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 88, which says that angle between the line x plus 2y plus 2z minus 5 equal to 0 equal to 3x plus 4y plus 6z minus 13 and the plane 4x plus 5y plus 8z equal to 17 is. Now, this line means that it is the intersection line of this plane and this plane, right? Now, let us say we have the planes as these two, right? So we have to find the direction cosines of this line, that is, let us say it is L1. So the direction cosines of L1 will be, if we have eta 1 equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and if I have eta 2 equal to, that is the perpendicular vector of this plane P2. So eta 2 is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap. So from here we can find the direction ratios of the line L1 as, let us say, ijk 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. So this is equal to iota into 12 minus 8, that is 4, plus j cap into 6 minus 6, that is 0, plus k cap into 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So this is equal to 4 into I cap minus 2 into k cap. These are the direction ratios of line L1, and we have the direction ratios of the vector perpendicular to the plane. Let us say this is P3 is 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 8 k cap. Now here if we observe that if we multiply the direction ratios of line L1 and of the line perpendicular to plane P3, so we will get 0, that is 4 I cap into 4 I cap, that is 16, plus 0 minus 16, that is equal to 0, which means that the line is lying in the plane P3, that is the angle between the line L1 and the plane P3 is 0. So the correct answer is option number 3. Next is question number 89, which says that number of real solutions of the equation cos inverse cos x plus x equal to 2 pi is. Here we have to plot the graph of cos inverse cos x and 2 pi minus x, and then we will find the number of solutions of the given equation. So let us say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Let us say this point is 0, 0. This is 2 pi, 0. Similarly, let us say here we have minus 2 pi, 0. So the graph of cos inverse cos x will be like this, where this point is pi, pi. Now the line y equal to 2 pi minus x is something like this, where this point is 0, 2 pi. Right? Now here we can see that in this interval, that is when x is going from pi to 2 pi, here we have infinite number of solutions. Right? So we will say that the number of real solutions of the given equation is infinitely many. So the correct answer is option number 4. Next is question number 90, which says that let R is the contrapositive of the statement P implying Q is negation Q implying negation P, and S is the converse of the statement P implying Q is Q implying P. Be two statements. Which of the following statements is a fallacy? Right. Firstly, we have to find the truth values of R and S. Now, we know that contrapositive of P implying Q is negation Q implying negation P. This is its contrapositive, and its converse is Q implying P. That is, both the statements, that is R and S, are true. So we can write it down that R is true and S is also true. So let us go option by option. Option number 1 says that R or S, that is true or true, that will be true, right? Similarly, let's check option 2, which says that R and S, that is true and true, that is also true, right? And option 3 says that negation R, that is F or S, that is true, that is again true, right? And option 4 says that R, that is T, implying negation S, that is F. Now we know that this gives us F. So we can say that option number 4 gives us fallacy, right? So students, this was the AIATS that was held on 3rd March 2019. I hope you gained some good concepts from here. Thank you.